We're going to discuss about the center-state relationship. So, our Constitution of India, being a federal in the structure, divides all power, legislative, executive, and financial, between center and the state. However, there is no division of the judicial power established on the integrated judicial system. Though the center and the state are supreme and respective field, the maximum harmony and coordination between them is essential. So, effective operation of federal system has the constitution contain the elaborate provision of regulate various dimension, legislative, administrative, and financial function. Legislative relation is 245 to 255, part 11 of the Constitution. Part 11 of the Constitution deal with the legislative relationships. Beside these, there are some of article dealing with same subject like Federal Constitution of India, divide the legislative power between center and the state. Both the territory and the subject of further constitution provide the parliamentary legislation in the state and 5 extraordinary situations control state legislation. Territorial extent and distribution of the subjects, parliamentary legislation, and the center control over the state. So, territorial extent of the center and the state, the parliament can make law for the whole or any part of the territory of India. The territory of India includes the states, union territory, and any other area. A state legislation can make law for the whole or any part of the state. The law made by the state are not applicable outside of the state. The Parliament alone can make law for the extraterritorial legislation. Thus, the law of the Parliament are also applicable to the Indian citizens. The President can make a regulation for the peace, progress, good government of territory. And Andaman Nicobar, Dadar Nagar Haveli regulations so made as same force effect as an act of the Parliament. The governor empowered to direct that an parliament does not apply the schedule area, so apply with a specific modification. The governor of Assam may likewise direct the act of parliament, so autonomous district in the state apply with the specific modifications. President enjoy the same power with respect to the tribal area, that was Meghalaya, Tripura, and the Mizoram. So, distribution of legislation subject. The parliament has exclusive power to make the law matter in the union list and like energy, atomic energy, and insurance, communication. State has in normal circumstances exclusive power make laws with respect to any of the matter enumerated state list. There are 61 subjects, now presently 66 subject. Both the parliament and state can make law for the concurrent list, that is 52 subjects are there. It is marriage, family planning, divorce, and control, labor welfare, drugs, newspaper, books. 42 amendment added forest, weight and measures, education, okay, protection of the animals also in this. The power to make the law with respect to the subject, there is a 3 list. From the above scheme, it is clear national importance and the matter of the uniformity of the legislation of the national wide union list. So now this is the important matters. After then, the Constitution expressly secure the predominance of the union list over the state list and concurrent, and that is the concurrent list over the state list. Thus, in the case of overlapping between union or state, overlapping between the union and the state and concurrent, it is again the format which should be prevail. So, where there is a conflict between concurrent and state list, it is format should be prevail. In case of conflict between center law and the state law of a subject enumerated, so, if the state law has been reserved for the consideration of the president and has received assent, then the state law prevail in the state, but it would still the competent for the parliament to override this law. Parliamentary legislation for the state field. When Rajya Sabha passes a resolution, if a Rajya Sabha declared that it necessary in the national interest, the parliament should make the law on the matter in the state list, then the parliament become competent to make law on the matter. Such a resolution must be supported 2/3 of the member present and voting. The resolution remain force of the 1 year. It can be renewed any number of the time, but not exceeding 1 year. The law cease to have effect of the expiration of the 6th month. This provide does not restrict the power. During the national emergency, the parliament acquired the power for the legislation, and that is law is incorporating. Here also power of the state legislation to make the law on the same matters. So, when a state make the request, when the legislation of the 2 or more state pass resolution, requesting Parliament to enact the law on the matter of the state list, then the Parliament can make law for the regulating the matter. A law so enacted applied only to those states which have passed a resolution. However, any of the other state adopt the passing a resolution to that affect the legislation. The effect of passing a resolution under the above provision is that the Parliament become entitled to legislate with respect to the matter which has to the power make the law. So now there is a Wildlife Protection Act, Water Prevention Act, and Urban Land Sealing Act, and the Transplantation Human Organ. Implement international agreement. The Parliament can make law for the list of implementing international treaties also there, and the United Nations Privileges and the Immunities Act, Geneva Convention Act, Anti-Hijacking Act. During the President rule, when the President rule is imposed, the Parliament become empowered to make law for any of the matter in the state list. A law made the Parliament continue to operating President rule. This means that the period for which such a law remains force is not coterminous with this. Center control over the state. The governor can reserve certain bill for the governed state legislation for the consideration of president. The president enjoy absolute veto over them. Bill on the certain matter enumerated in the state list can be introduced in the state legislation only with the previous section of the president, and the president can direct the state to reserve money bill and other financial pass by the legislation for the consideration of the financial emergency. It is clear the Constitution signed the position for the supremacy of the states center-state relationship, that was 83 federal supremacy, and now there is a administrative relationship, that was part 11 again, and 256 to 263, that is the administrative relationship. Executive power of the state being divided between center and the state, distribution of the legislative power, and this is the executive power of the center extend to the whole of the India to the matter on which the Parliament has exclusive power to legislation, the subject enumerated in the union list, to the exercise the right authority in the jurisdiction conferred on it. Treaty or agreement. Similarly, the exclusive power of the state extend to the treaty of the respect matter on which the state legislation has exclusive power to the legislation. In respect of the matter on which both the Parliament and state legislation have the power for the concurrent list, and the executive power of the rest with the state except whole of the Constitution. Therefore, a law of the concurrent subject so enacted the Parliament. Obligation of the state and the center. So, Constitution exercised in such a way as to ensure the compliance with the law made by the Parliament, exercise the law as not to impede the prejudice the exercise of the executive power of the centre, while the former lay down the general obligation upon the state, the latter imposes specific obligation. In both the cases, the executive power of the centre extends to the giving such direction to the state. The sanction behind them direction center is coercive, and say where the state has failed to comply with any direction given to center, it will be lawful for the president to hold that a situation arises which is government of a state cannot carry in accordance with the provision of Constitution. So, adding to this above two cases, the center empowered to give direction to the state with respect to the executive power, the Constitution, and the maintenance of the means of communication, the measure to taken the protection of the railway, provision of adequate facility for the mother tongue of the primary stage, and drawing the executing of the specified scheme for the welfare of scheduled tribe. And central direction 361 mentioned here. Now, the distribution of the legislation power between the center and the state is rigid. So, the center cannot delegate its legislative power to make the law on the state subject. The distribution of the executive power is general follow the distribution of legislative power. By such a rigid division, the executive sphere may lead to the occasionally conflict between two. Constitution provide intergovernmental delegations, and accordingly the president may with consent of the state enters the government executive function of the center. Conversely, the governor of the state may with consent of the center enters the government and any of the executive function of the state. The Constitution also makes the provision for the entrustment of the executive function of the center to state without the consent of the state, but in case of the delegation, Parliament and not the president. Thus, a law made by the Parliament on the subject union can be conferred power to impose duty on the state, authorize the conferring power of the imposition of the duties. Notably, the same things cannot be done. It is clear that mutual delegation of function between center and the state can be placed under the agreement of the legislation. Cooperation between center and the Parliament can provide for the adjudication of the dispute with respect to distribution and control of the water. President can establish under the Article 263 Interstate Council investigate the common interest between the states. And full faith and credit is being throughout the territory of India to publish act, records and judicial proceeding. Parliament can appoint an appropriate authority to carry out a purpose of the constitutional provision for the interstate freedom, trade and commerce. All India services are IAS, IPS, IFS. The member of these services occupy top position under both the center and the state. These services are controlled jointly center and the state. The ultimate control lie with the central government while the immediate control by the state. 1947 Indian Civil Service was replaced by the IAS and IPS. The recognizing the Constitution All India Services, Indian Forest Services C-112, that was a parliament created new All India Services by the resolution of the Rajya Sabha. Each of these three All India services, irrespective of the division among different states, form a single service with common rights and the status. So the All India service violate the principle of federation under the Constitution restricting autonomy, and now they help to maintaining the high standards in the center and the state, and they help to ensure the uniformity of the administration, facilitate the liaison and cooperation and coordination. All India services are Dr. Ambedkar, the dual polity which is inherent for the federal system. The federal civil service and the state civil service, the Indian Federation, though dual polity, will have a dual services. So there can be no doubt that administration depend upon the caliber of the civil servants, and constant provide that without deprivation of their rights. All India services require the All India service basis on the qualifications, pay and the member of the appointed. Public Service Commission chairman and the member of the State Public Service Commission, though appointed by the governor, can be removed only by the president. The parliament can establish a joint public service commission for the more or two states, and the chairman and the member of the joint public service commission can be appointed by the president. And UPSC, that was state members जो हैं with the appointed by the president. UPSC assist करती है to the states for framing the schemes, joint requirement and candidates. Now integrated judicial system. So this system was a single system of the courts enforced both center and the state. This is done to eliminate the diversities, and judge of the state high court are appointed by the president, consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the governor of the state. They can also transferred and removed by the president, and parliament can establish a common high court for two or more states, for example Maharashtra, Goa, Punjab, Haryana. Now relationship during emergency. Article 352 emergency center become and force executive direction to the state for the state government and complete control over the center. When the president rule is imposed, the president can assume himself function of the state government for the governor. During the operation of financial emergency, center can direct the state for the financial property of the president, can give other necessary directions. Now other provision 355 imposed two duties on the center, and the state election commission was also is appointed by the governor, and the governor of the state appointed by the president. He held the office during the pleasure of the president. In addition to this, governor is an agent of the center, and he was doing as an administrative affair maintaining. Extra constitutional devices are also non-constitutional, like Niti Aayog, National Development Council, National Integration Council, Center Council and the Center Council of Local Government, North Eastern Council, Center Council of Indian Medicines. So the important conferments of this are otherwise to facilitate center state consultation. Wide range of matters are there. Chief Minister conferences and the conferences of the Inspector General, Chief Justice conferences are also there. Financial services, Article 268 to 293 of the article, that is discussing about the financial services. So taxing, Parliament has exclusive power to the levy taxes on the subject enumerated by Union list. The state legislation has exclusive power to levy taxes on the subject enumerated state list. Both the Parliament and state has a levy subject enumerated in the concurrent list. So a state legislation can impose taxes on the trade, calling, and the total amount of the tax payable for the 2500. And the state legislation can impose tax on the sale or purchase of the goods. No tax can be imposed on the sale purchase of the place outside the state. The state legislation can impose tax on the consumption of the electricity and the state legislation can impose a tax in the respect of the any water and electricity. Distribution of the taxes. 18 Amendment and 88 had introduced major changes. 80 Amendment was the effect of recommendation of 10th Finance Commission. 29% should be go to the state. This is known the alternative schemes. And now there is the 88 Amendment added new Article 268A dealing with the service tax. It added to the new subject union list, and service tax is levied. Taxes levied by the center and but control appropriated by the state. Stamp duty and service tax levied by the center but collected appropriated by the center and the state. 268A. Taxes levied collected by the center assigned to the state, that was 269. Taxes levied and collected by the distributed between center and the state under 270. And 268 and 269 is mentioned. 271 is the surcharges and surcharge on the certain taxes, that is 271. Taxes levied collected retained by the state, that is excise duties and land revenues, tax agriculture incomes and tax of professional trade, stamp duty, tolls and all that. Now distribution of non-tax is like railway या post, telegraph, banking, broadcasting, coinage and public sector, that is non-tax. That is state receipt में जो है irrigation, forest, fishery and the public sector enterprises are comes. Grant in aid, center and the state. Constitution provides the grant in aid for center resources. There are two types: statutory and the discretionary. Statutory, under Article 275, Parliament make the grant to the state which are need for financial assistance, and not to every state but also different sum of fixed the different states. Now next is discretionary. 275, both the general and specific given to the state on the recommendation of the Finance Commission. 282, empower both the center and the state to make the grants for the public purpose and not within their respective legislation, but these grants are also known the discretionary grants, and center is under no obligation but twofold purpose: to help the state financial to fulfill the plan targets, center to influence and coordinate between the national plan. Other grants are constitution also provide the three type of the grant in aid, so that is also there. Finance Commission, under Article 280 of the Constitution, the President every 5th year of the earlier it was required to make the recommendation of the President. The distribution of the net proceed taxes between the center and the state, the principle which should be governed the grant in aid of the states or consolidated fund of India, and the measure needed for the fund state supplement and the panchayat and municipalities. So any other matter referred by the President. The Commission also suggested the amount paid by the state Assam, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, net proceed in each year, and now there is a Constitution advises the Financial Commission as a balancing wheel for the federalism. To protect the interest of the state in financial service, a bill which impose the varies any taxes, a bill which varies meaning of the agriculture income, and a bill which affect the principle of which money or may be distributed, a bill which impose the surcharges. So the expression of the tax and duty in which the interest rate. Okay, now the discretionary grant 282, and that was empower the center and this will make the grant for the public purpose even if not within their respective legislative competence. Under this provision, center make grant to the state. These grants are also known the discretionary grants, and the reason being the center under no obligation to give this grant and materialize within the direction. These grants have twofold: to help the state fulfill the plan target and to give some leverages to the center to influence the coordinate. Other grants, the Constitution also provide that this grant in aid, but for the temporary period. Thus a provision was made for the grant, and Finance Commission we discussed before. The borrowing center and the state. The central government can borrow either within the India or outside. Security of Consolidated Fund of India can give the guarantee fixed by the Parliament. Similarly, state government can borrow within the India upon the security of Consolidated Fund of India. State give the guarantee. Center government can make loan or any of the given guarantee respect to the loans of the any required for the Consolidated Fund of India, and the state cannot raise any loan without the consent of the center. Okay, so the government tax immunity, exemption of the central property. Exemption of the state property income from the central taxation. The property and the income of the state is exempted from central taxation. Such income may be derived from the sovereign function of the commercial function. Parliament can declare particular trade or business incidental to the ordinary function. The property of the income of the local authority situation within a state are not exempted from central taxation. So Supreme Court in advisory opinion immunity granted to the state respect to the central taxation. National emergency while the proclamation of national emergency is the operation, the president can modify the constant distribution revenue between center and the state. This means that president can either reduce, cancel, transfer of the finance. So this is modification. Now financial emergency is a opposition to observe the specific canon of the financial property, to reduce the salary allowances of the state, and to reserve the old money bill and other financial bills for consideration of the president. Trains of the center state 67. The center state relationship large but smooth due to the one party. After 67, the Congress party was defeated and changed the political scenario. The non-Congress government in the state opposed the increasing centralization and they raised the issue of state autonomy and they demanded more power of the financial resources. Tension between center and the state relation. Mode of appointment, discrimination and the partisan role of government, imposition of present rule, reservation of the state bill for the consideration of president, discrimination of financial allocation, role of planning commission, IAS, IPS, and appointment of the inquiry commissions, sharing finances, and the encroachment of the center. Now, issue of the center-state relationships are directions given. Administrative Reform Commission, that was the chairmanship of Moraji Desai, and term of references is called among this examination of center-state relationship. In order to examine this relationship, the Sitalwad, on the other hand, establishment of interstate council, appointment person having a long period experience for public life, and delegation of the powers, transferring the more financial resources. Rajmannar Commission was in Tamil Nadu and that was appointed a 3-membered Dr. Rajmannar, examined the entire question of center-state relationships. So that was Tamil Nadu 71 May. That was the committee identifying the one party. Now the institution planning for the role of the planning commission. Important recommendations are interstate council and article 356 of the dealing with the present rule and provisions was there. Now there was a Akali Dal was given in resolution on the Anandpur Sahib resolution. Jurisdiction should be only defense, foreign affairs, communication and the currency. Bengal memorandum, West Bengal government was memorandum of this central government and that was union and the constitution replaced by the federal. So that was the whole subject of the residuary vested in the 356, 357 present rule should be repealed, and now there was a Rajya Sabha should have a equal with the Lok Sabha. Now the Sarkaria Commission, that was Sarkaria is a retired judge of the Supreme Court. The commission also asked to examine the review working of the arrangement of the center and the state, and that was the final report was submitted 87. The commission did not favor structural changes but regarded as the constant arrangement principle relating to the basically but emphasize on the need of the changes of the financial operational aspect. The observe the federalism is the more financial arrangement of the cooperative center and state, that is center is essential for the safeguard national unity and integrity, and center with centralization, it observed the over centralization lead to the blood pressure. So the interstate council was called the intergovernmental council, and present rule should be used very sparingly. Extreme cases, the institution of the All India service should be further strengthened. The residuary power of the taxation should be contained to the parliament, and when the president withhold the assent to the bill, the reason should be the communicated. The National Development Council, renamed the National Economical Development Council. Center should have a power to deploy the armed forces. Center should consult the state before making laws for the concurrent list. Procedure of consulting chief minister, appointment state governor should be prescribed. Net proceed of the corporation tax may be permissible. Governor cannot dismiss command majority, and the governor term is 5 years in the state should not be disturbed except the extreme compelling reason. No commission of inquiry should be set up against the state ministers. The surcharge on the income should not be levied by the center. The present division of the function between Finance Commission and Planning Commission is reasonable. Steps should be taken for the uniformity and the no autonomy of the radio, no change in the Rajya Sabha. The central government has implemented 180 recommendations. Punchi Commission Center State will set up the government 2007, the Madan Mohan Punchi, and the commission was required to examine the review the working, examining the union and the states and the healthy procedure. Various pronouncement was regard the power, function and responsibility. It examined the reviewing the working of the arrangement between the union and the making recommendation change measured needed. And now there is a role and responsibility is given. Now the role of responsibility of the center and state planning implementing mega projects, role of responsibility for the local bodies, and linking the central assistant kinds of performance. 8 and 12 Finance Commission fiscal relations, that was discussing about the fiscal relations. Value added tax regime was also included, and part 18 that was related to the Sarkaria Commission for the chapter 18. It was talk about that. Commission submitted its report in 2010 and now help the Sarkaria Commission report National Commission review the working of Constitution. That was helping this after examining raised term of the references. Cooperative federalism, that was Indian unity and integrity, it should be maintained. So center-state relationship to facilitate the effective implementation of the third subject. It is necessary for the broad agreements, and union should be extremely retain the parliamentary supremacy, and now the union should occupy only that many of the subjects are overlapping. There should be the continuing auditing, interstate council should be there, and the period of the 6 month for the article 201. And now there is a parliament should make law for the subject entry 14 and the exercise of power. He should be eminent person. So selection of the governor, a governor should be eminent person outside of the politics, should not be a detached figure, not too much intimated with the local politics. He should be a person who has not taken too great part in the politics, and he should be a person from outside of the state. So this is given by the Sarkaria Commission report. Governor should be given the fixed tenure of the 5 year, and the procedure laid by the impeachment president made applicable for the impeachment of governor as well. Article 163 does not give the governor a general discretionary power to the act against without the advice of the council of ministers. Area of the exercise is limited. Now, in the respect of the bill passed by the legislation assembly on the governor should take the decision within the 6 months. So the party and combinations are provided there. Now this is all about. So this is the extent made by the law by the parliament, subject matter law made by the parliament and the state, power of the parliament to provide the establishment of the courts, residuary power of the parliament to legislate with respect to the matter of the state list, power of parliament to legislate with respect to the matter of the present emergency, and the inconsistent between the law between parliament and the state. So now there is a power of the parliament to legislate two or more state by the consent of the legislation of the state, legislation giving effect of the international agreement, inconsistency between law made by the parliament and the requirement of the recommendation in the previous section, obligation of the state, control of the union over the state, assistance to the state by deployment of the armed forces, power of the union to confer power to the states, and the power of the state to entrust the function armed forces of the state. Part B, first schedule, and the jurisdiction of union relation territory, relation to the territory of the outside India, that is 260. 261 Public Act and the Recourts, and 262 Adjudication dispute of the water. 263 for the interstate council. 268 duties levied union but collected by the state. 268A service tax levied by the union collected by the state. 269 taxes levied collected by union assigned to the state. 270 taxes levied distributed between this both, and surcharge. Now taxes which are levied and collected by union may be distributed. Grants and prior recommendation of the president for the bills, grant in aid, and now 276 taxes profession and trade. 277 is savings, and 278 for the agreement of part B, And calculation of the net profit, that was in 279. 280 Finance Commission, recommendation of Finance Commission 281. 282, that is expenditure of the union, and custody consolidated fund, that contingency fund, that was 283. Custody of the deposits and other money, that was 284. 285 exemption of the property. 286 restriction to the imposition of the taxes. 287 exemption from the taxes electricity. 288 the exemption from taxation respect to the water, and exemption of the property and income, union taxation, adjustment and annual payments of the Devastan fund privy. So this all is about the chapter related to the interstate relationships. So interstate relations we discussed right now. Chapter name was what? Interstate relationship.